Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DACX remained in the red zone today as it fell by 8.93 points or 0.14% today and settled at 6,384 points. Market turnover was BDT 14.95 billion, which is an increase of 20.95% compared to the previous trading day. Beacon Pharmaceuticals, Orion Infusion, Beximco Pharmaceuticals, Indo-Bangla Pharmaceuticals and GMI Syringes and Medical were from the pharmaceutical sector, ADN Telecom, E-Generation, Amra Technologies and Eastern Cables from the IT sector, and Eastern Housing, Anwar Galvanizing and Bangladesh Shipping from the industrial sector mainly pulled the market down today. In terms of sector-wise return, the banking sector posted the highest gain of 0.44%, while the textile sector registered the second highest gain of 0.22%. On the other hand, the IT sector posted the highest loss of 3.1%. 6 IT companies and 5 industrial companies were among the top 20 losers today. Summit Alliance Port, Shomarita Hospital and Chartered Life Insurance registered the highest gain, while Stern Housing, Indo-Bangla Pharmaceuticals and ADN Telecom were the top losers. Summit Alliance Port and Indo-Bangla Pharmaceuticals had no price limit on the trading of their shares today, following their earnings declarations. Shomarita Hospital is scheduled to have its board meeting for its Q1 financial statements today, and Stern Housing may not meet the investors' earning expectation, considering that a board meeting will be held on 14th November. ADN Telecom has recently announced encouraging earnings. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price change of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Pragati Life Insurance, IT Consultants and Mercantile Bank increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. IT Consultants announced a meeting of the Board of Directors on 14th November 3 p.m. 2022. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. Country's private sector's loan increased to $25.95 billion in June 2022 from $19.68 billion in September 2021, which will increase the pressure on repayment. The interest rate was very reasonable, which is 3%, and the exchange rate was also stable when the private sector took out loans from foreign banks. On the other hand, our country's interest rate was 9%. That's why the private sector was interested in foreign banks' loans. Federal Reserve officials will increase interest rate by March 2023, and if it happens, SOFR rates will also rise, and as a result, loan interest rate will increase. The cotton prices have declined by $1 per pound in the international market, but the import of cotton in our country has not increased because the orders have declined due to the inflation in Europe caused by the Russian-Ukraine war and the supply crisis of gas and electricity causing interruption in the production process. The yarn made from previously imported cotton is still in stock, so there's no use of importing cotton at a lower price. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow Alert Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.